Alright, this is problem number 2 now. Number 2, part A. We have a baseball. It's telling us that the velocity is pointing downward and acceleration also pointing downward. So even though this is a different problem, I still have that same note from before. If they're pointing in the same direction, your object speeds up. Opposite direction, the object slows down. For description, just like the front, tell me that direction of both the velocity and the acceleration. When we're talking about moving left and right, to the left was our negative direction, to the right was our positive. Now that objects are going up and down, the downward direction is our negative direction. So velocity in this example, because it's pointed down, we say that's the negative. And write down for acceleration, it is also downward, so it is negative as well. The last part is just to tell me what the baseball does. Because they're both pointed in the negative direction, the direction is the same, we know the baseball speeds up as it is probably falling. Okay, for the motion diagram, we have our axis now going vertically. If you're really just comfortable putting it left and right, that's still okay, but this is a ball dropping, so having a vertical motion diagram makes a bit more sense. We're still going to label it 0, or where it starts, and because we're moving up and down, not left and right, we're labeling this Y for position instead of X. So as it starts at a position of 0, it starts to fall. It starts off slowly and picks up speed. So over time, these dots are spreading out. The last step is just to connect those dots. So we have velocity arrows pointing downward. You can see those get longer as they go. The acceleration was also negative. It was pointing downward as well. So over to the right of this, I'm going to put little acceleration arrows also pointing down, showing that they're both negative. So the same idea as the front page, is just now we're dealing with vertical drops on number 2. So try B and C on your own. And then part D is a little tricky. I'll have another video for that one.